Good morning everyone. My name is Mrudula, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss a topic called UPS system. These are the contents which I am going to discuss today. Like what is a UPS system, what are the different types, its advantages, disadvantages, inverter versus UPS, and its power rating. UPS. What is UPS? UPS is nothing but the uninterrupted power supply. An uninterrupted power supply is a device that allows a computer to keep running at least for a short time. That means when primary power source is lost, it provides the protection from the power fluctuation. Thus, we can say that UPS is a device that helps to provide the consistent power to a computer system. UPS is mainly categorized into three types, that is online UPS, offline UPS and line interactive UPS. What is online UPS? In this type of UPS, the system always remains on the battery, whether main or present or not. That means whether the main supply is present or not. By using the batteries, we can provide the supply to the load which is being connected to this particular UPS. Here you can see this is the main source. This is the main source. The main source is being connected to the battery charger and then to the battery, which is being connected to the DC to AC inverter here. So, when the main AC is present, it provides power to the DC supply of the inverter section as well as to the charger of the battery simultaneously. When the main AC is not present, when the main AC, that is this particular thing, is not present, it will run the connected load till the battery has a recommended discharge level. So based on the charging capacity and based on the discharging level of the battery charger, it will supply the energy to the load when the main AC is in the off condition or when it is not present. What are the advantages of online UPS? When we use online UPS, there is no change of surges. That is surges, spikes, sags, blackouts, because of main AC passes through the battery, which gives accurate voltage supplies in any condition. Another advantage is that it passes the charges regularly through the battery. So there is no change of failure of the circuit like changeover timing or changeover circuit. That means no need to change the circuit and no need to change the timing of a switching devices. So these are the two advantages of the online UPS system. Disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? In online UPS system always remains on battery. That means whether the main AC is present or not, when the main AC is present, it supplies DC to the battery section for charging, as well as battery is also sent to charge the inverter section of the main. Due to this, no battery life is low battery life. The lifetime of the battery is less because it should be continuously supplying, whether the main switch is off or on, it should be in an on position continuously, so the lifetime of the battery reduces. Next, second type is offline UPS. When the main AC is present, the AVR provides an output as is the input mains. That means the offline UPS is used when the power is on, it is being connected. When the power is off, it can provide only to a limited time duration. This is the offline UPS, and here you can see the pictures of two different offline UPS systems. In offline UPS system, this is your main AC supply, which is being connected to the battery charger and automatic voltage regulator, which is being connected here using a switch to the output, and the battery charger is being connected to battery, and then through a switch it is connected to DC to AC converter. That means here, when the offline UPS is automatic voltage, uses automatic voltage regulator to reduce the output voltage close to 220 volts AC. The offline UPS are normal, has normal weight and widely used for domestic computers. That means mostly for the domestic applications we will be using this offline UPS. Here is the picture of the UPS. And what are the advantages of the offline UPS is, when an main AC is present, the current passes through the AVR and to the load and the battery all time. Therefore, offline UPS battery has the lifetime more. The lifetime of the offline UPS is more when compared to the online. When compared to the online UPS. What are the disadvantages? Offline UPS accuracy is less and when compared to the online, because it passes charge to the AVR, therefore there would be a little change of surge or spikes may pass. And if there is a problem in change over circuit, it shut down the PC. So these are the two disadvantages of the offline UPS. The third type is line interactive UPS. The line interactive UPS you can see in this picture, which work like online as well as offline. Here you can see the main circuit is being connected to the AVR, automatic voltage regulator, and then to a battery via the battery charger. The battery is being connected, which is connected to a DC to AC inverter, and then to the output. Here you can see the picture of the figure. When there is a fluctuation in the main AC, the cutoff timer cut the flow path of the AC through the AVR for specific time, thus charge flow through the battery. At this stage, the UPS works as online UPS. That means in this particular category, battery can be used as online battery or else the offline, that is online UPS and offline UPS. Both features are being provided in this particular case. What are the advantages of line interactive UPS? The output power accuracy of the line interactive UPS is higher when compared to the offline, because it passes the main AC through the battery if there is no fluctuation in the AC, and there is no fluctuation in the main AC, then it bypasses through the AVR, which can save the battery life. What are the disadvantages? The output power supplies of accuracy is less than the online UPS. When compared to online, the accuracy is less and the system may shut down if there is a problem with the changeover circuit. If any problem occurs in the changeover circuit, to change from offline mode to the online mode, the system may shut down. So these are the disadvantages. Inverter versus UPS. What is inverter? Here you can see the main switch again, and the main switch, by using a switch, it is being connected to the load, and via a battery charger it is connected to battery, via a switch, and an DC to AC inverter, it is again connected to the output load. So the inverter supply unregulated power supply when the main AC is present. That means when there is no fault, when there is power supply, the current flows in this direction from directly main switch to the output. And when the main switch is off, the power is taken from this power banks or battery banks. Here you can see this switch is in closed condition and this switch is in open condition. And in this picture also, this is in open condition and closed condition. Changeover time. What is this changeover time? The mains of the battery changeover time to battery of the main is offline. That means the from online to the offline case, in order to change, it takes around 3 to 8 milliseconds. So if the changeover time is more, then the damage may occur. So the changeover time should be less. Power rating. The power rating of an electrical component is being measured in watts or volt amperes. The UPS manufacturers mainly use VA, that is volt ampere, as its power rating. The power factor is nothing but the watts per VA, and it should be between 0.6 to 0.8. And the power factor is always less than 1. For a desktop, the power rating, the VA is nothing but the watts per power factor, because power factor is equal to watts by VA. So from this, VA is equal to watts by power factor. So for UPS, for normal desktop, it is around 500 by 0.8 power factor, that is 625 volt ampere. This is your watts power capacity. And for UPS having power rating around 2500 VA, 2500 VA into power factor will give you the power rating of a device. In next topic, we would like to discuss about the electrical systems for the elevators. Thank you.